Negative thoughts come to our mind, distractions come to our mind all day long. The secret is not to get attached to these distractions. At the moment that distractions come to your mind, imagine yourself in front of a river. Imagine the flow of the river going consistently from one side to the other. And every object and every leaf that falls into it is being carried by the river out of sight. The same thing is with your negative thoughts or any type of distraction. At the moment you're doing something and suddenly you feel that you want to go in another direction, you have the ADHD moment or ADD moment, this is a time to start breathing, focus, and say, 1 second. My thoughts are just going to be carried by the water. Just like these leaves, I am focusing on what I need to do. Simple, but sometimes difficult. Start letting go. And once you let go and stop judging yourself for your thoughts, you will see how you're going to stay in a perfect focus, in a perfect direction. It takes time, but you'll get there.